I just wanna be the best that I can. Not calling anyone else. Not falling into a rain. Just like you think I would do. I just wanna spend some time with myself. I'm not texting anyone else. I'm not falling for someone else. If I come back, try to push it back. If I come back, try to push it back. If I come back.
Well, hello to all dear beautiful viewers and subscribers. Hope you all are absolutely fine and doing very well. Numerous pictures catches my eyes at EICMA Motor Show Italy 2024, one of which we will going to talk about. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe so you never miss any updates. So without wasting time, let's get started. 50 years after its first debut, the iconic Moto Morini 3.5 returns to captivate the public once again. Moto Morini celebrates the 50th anniversary of the iconic 3.5 model by presenting its successor at EICMA. One of the brand's most legendary models, the new Moto Morini 3.5 is a modern reinterpretation of the historic 3.5 Sport, which originally launched in 1974 with Franco Lambertini's groundbreaking. Originally launched in 1974, the original Moto Morini 3.5 was the brand's first V-twin model, produced in Sport or Strada touring variants. Designed by Franco Lambertini, the 3.5 Sport shook up the 350cc class, which was dominated by singles, introducing a 344cc 72 degrees V-twin with flat head and heads that quickly became one of the most powerful four-strokes of its era. This new version blends the classic heritage of the manufacturer with the technologies and demands of today's motorcyclists, striking the perfect balance between history and innovation. Lightness, durability, reliability, ease of maintenance and riding pleasure are the foundations of this new project. It's a true celebration of Italian history and style, with a design that echoes the sleek, aggressive lines of the original model that made it a legend. The look of the new Moto Morini 3.5 is both classic and dynamic, with a shape that makes the bike appear thrust forward. Numerous details catch the eye, from the 15-liter fuel tank to the 78 cm high vintage-style seat. The headlights are LED, and the dashboard features a TFT display with an integrated navigator. The modern 3.5 isn't the same performance beast as the original, featuring a liquid-cooled 350.3cc 60 degrees V-twin DOHC 8-valve engine that is compliant with Euro 5+. Moto Morini claims a peak output of 32 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 23 pound-feet at 6,500 revolutions per minute, making it accessible to European riders with an A2 license. The frame is a single cradle steel double rail design, complemented by a 43mm upside-down fork and a preload adjustable monoshock mounted on an aluminum swing arm, both offering 4.7 inches of travel. The wheels are 17 inches, fitted with 110 70ths and 150 60ths tires, but perhaps the most significant spec is the weight, coming in under 165 kilograms, which is close to 363 pounds. The front wheel uses a single radial mount 4-piston caliper and 300mm disc, while the rear is equipped with a 2-piston caliper and 255mm disc along with double-channel ABS as standard. The 2025 Moto Morini 3.5 will arrive in dealers in the second half of 2025. I had already covered and made a video on 1970s Moto Morini 3.5, 70-degree V-twin. You can check it at the end of this video by simply clicking on the link. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.